If you look at the recent data, it shows few trends which I think are a little disturbing. One is that employment generation in large enterprises has barely grown in the formal sector. And wherever there has been employment generation, it's been primarily in small, micro, medium, in the informal sector too. Now, generally speaking, productivity in these sectors is low. Jobs are by and large informal, which means that there is poor quality of working life. There is yet another fact that I think is important, which is that there has been a decline in women's participation in the labor force, which in and of itself is a matter of worry. Now, in response to this, what the government has done, it has done some things, but I still think it's a little inadequate. What they have done is, in order to improve the quality of jobs in this newly burgeoning informal employment, in the formal sector and in the informal sector, they have introduced a social security system under the Unorganized Workers Social Security Act. I think it addresses this deficit in decent work in the informal economy. How it will actually get implemented is another huge question. Those who work are working poor. They're poor and they're vulnerable. So it's not as if they're unemployed, but they're working in such low-end jobs that don't pay. There's a large number of people who are self-employed. Now, for people who are self-employed, and there are large numbers of them, they could be small agricultural workers. Agriculture and farming is becoming increasingly a dismal scenario. There are farmer suicides, there is very low productivity in agriculture. So one needs to have an active policy. The population in agriculture is coming down and their viability needs to increase, okay? And you need to support the small landholder and support them. Talking of the formal sector, there is a sharp need to increase employment because it's there that the better jobs are there. So the links between the informal economy and the formal sector, they need to be made more robust. And I would like to suggest, for example, that we have ways and means by which these formal sectors who increase their profitability by keeping people in informal jobs in the formal sector, like in contract labor, that their conditions get improved. If possible, they be brought on par as regular employees, okay, at the very minimum. In some sectors, about 50% of employees are in informal jobs. So I think there's a lot of intervention, and in terms, since I'm a labor lawyer actually, looking at the contract labor, looking at different forms of self-employed like street vendors, waste pickers, etc., looking at organized sector workers who form the backbone of many of these large sectors in the service industry and in manufacturing. I think these are things that need to be done because it's industry and service sector where productivity is higher and where we need to address many more issues.